breach it, avoid corrosive hole at all costs. You must never ignore this official Apple pop-up or your iPhone could break forever. There should be a serious pop-up warning for millions of iPhone users. You run the danger of irreparably breaking your iPhone if it displays and you ignore it. When water enters your Lightning connector, a specific pop-up notification from Apple will appear. It's simple to accomplish. Perhaps you dropped it in some water, splashed it, or were caught in a downpour. Yet it's crucial to be on the lookout for. Apple cautions that the Lightning port's pins or the cable may corrode if you charge your iPhone while it is wet, and disrupt functionality, resulting in connectivity troubles for your iPhone or accessories, or cause irreparable harm. There are two different notice types that pop up, each with a yellow caution triangle that contains a blue water drop inside. The first one states, "Liquid has been detected in the Lightning connector," and says, "Charging not available. Unplug so that the connector can dry." This could require several hours. This shows if liquid is found while your iPhone is being charged. Liquid detected in Lightning connection appears in the second pop-up window, which reads, "To let the connector dry, disconnect." It might take a while. If you attach a non-charging accessory to your iPhone, like as a set of wired headphones, and liquid is found, this pop-up will appear. Except under dire situations, neither should be disregarded. According to Apple, there is a way to disable the feature in an emergency. If you reconnect your iPhone to a Lightning cable or other adapter after the initial notification shows, it will be possible. Additionally, even with water in your Lightning connector, you can still use a wireless charger to charge your iPhone. Just make sure your iPhone's back is dry before you start. How to dry your iPhone. Apple advises waiting until your iPhone is entirely dry before connecting it in. The multinational tech company offers some advice to assist you. Apple advises that you gently tap your iPhone on your hand with the Lightning connector facing down to drain extra liquid. Keep your iPhone in a dry, well-ventilated room. After completing that, wait 30 minutes before attempting to charge again. If the notice pops up once more, liquid must still be there. Apple advises leaving your iPhone in a dry place with some airflow for up to a day. At this time, you can attempt to connect or charge a Lightning accessory once more. Up to 24 hours may pass before it is completely dry. Apple advises against drying your iPhone with compressed air or an external heat source. Also, you should refrain from sticking anything unfamiliar, such as paper towels or cotton swabs, into your Lightning port. And resist the urge to believe an old myth about how quickly an iPhone dries. Apple advises against putting your iPhone in a bag of rice. Doing so might allow tiny rice grains to harm your iPhone. Thanks for watching.